Hello and welcome aboard the LNER Big Wheel at Edinburgh's Christmas. We're about to depart, so please take a seat and for safety, remain seated throughout your ride. It's time to relax and enjoy the fantastic views of our city, taking in Edinburgh Castle, Scott Monument and the majestic Arthur's Seat. If you snap any great pics of your day, remember to post them with the hashtag LNER Big Wheel so we can all have a wee nosy. With so many things to see and do at Edinburgh's Christmas, we guarantee you'll be filled with festive cheer and jingle all the way to your Christmas day. Here at East Princess Street Gardens, you can enjoy the traditional markets, where you'll find stalls selling goodies from local and bespoke products and gifts to tasty Christmas treats. Stroll through the festive illuminations, and for the thrill seekers, are you brave enough to hop on board the UK's tallest star flyer? Towering 18 metres in the air, the star...
We're away. Edinburgh Castle. It's about 70 metres or something. I've never been on a big wheel for a long time. Not as big as this. This is the biggest wheel I've been on. To the right. Excellent. Puke proof. Things I do for you guys. I'm no joking, the things I do for you guys. You been doing once yet? That's high. That's high yet. That's high. Very high indeed. Princess Street there. Letting mere folk on, I suppose. Stand. Not really. There we go. It's a rear view. That's higher than the Scott Monument. The other one is higher. This way at the top. Not quite the top. We're not moving yet. Thanks a D for you guys, I'm not joking. See, people were just paying by their card. I thought you used to book it online. There you go. The Scotty Monument there. Ooh. A wee bit dizzy. Hope they tighten all the nuts and bolts. Oh, you get once. Must be pumping in some money. It's only once run you get. This is like little thingy-me-jigs. Star Rider. They get all my bags in the store. Oh well, that's it. I'm getting round. One more run. Just tighten all the bearings. That's the right on the top now. You know the bar now. The bar. Thanks before the image of let's go. Alright, you want to go around? You get 3 times. 3 or 4. That's excellent. I lost £12. What a big wheel with a deck. Seat. Station. There's your Scott Monument again. Let's folk up the Scott Monument. This is the top, come and do it again. Excellentos. Big folk are getting off now, aren't they? There we go, getting off. Bye. Copyright music, every one of them. Leonard Cohen now. Copyright, Leonard Cohen. Okay, McDokey. That's another one. Not much substance to the walk a day. Just reviewing my old bedsitter from 53 years ago. Hard to believe it's that long since I was in that bed sit. And we never got the bus, we just walked everywhere. Catch you in the next one anyway. Maybe get something more a bit exciting for you. Remember, push the thumbs up button. Helps a bit. And I hopefully get me on 32 views in 24 hours. We get a bus at 4:15. It's usually 25 to 5. Somehow they've changed it. So that's okay. It's getting dark anyway, it'll be dark very soon. Okay. Be good yourselves and take care. I'll catch you on the next one, okay. Peace out. Here's the tram coming now. Harvey Nichols. Harvey Nichols. It'd be very expensive in here, I would imagine. A lovely day it's been. Never really got much done really.
Sitting in the front walking towards that's on your left. You can try and keep the toilet in nice clean condition. I'd much appreciate it as well as probably everybody else on board the coach. Probably not, there's a few empty seats kicking about at the moment. However, from Ingleston Parking Hall Beach we're expecting more passengers to join the service. So you can please just stay in your allocated seats for the time being. I'd much appreciate this. If you don't remember what your seat number is, just have a look on your ticket and the seat numbers are just above you here on the coach.